Coolest part. So, sorry, it was very noisy in there, but this is Fortress Obetz, and I wanted to show you this part because this is the stands where a lot of games are played: football, lacrosse, soccer, and this area was built originally as a training facility for Columbus Crew, and since has adapted completely to Obetz, and it's become, as you can see, the symbols look a lot like what the crew was using. So there's going to be a concert here tomorrow night, just so you can see this. And if you've never toured this facility, this is so cool. So this is AstroTurf here, and Kane Brown will be here tomorrow night with WCOL, and this entire field here will be full of people listening to and cheering for Kane Brown. So that's the stands here. This is where the Columbus Motor Speedway used to be, is right in this area, actually more over here, but the Motor Speedway was here. That building right over there was originally here, and then we're going to come back over this way because I want you to see the parking lot on the other side of this. We leave the stands here, and this building here is all container buildings. They're triple stack containers. So the floor I was just on was the top balcony, and there's a bar up there. The downstairs part is a obviously it's a pavilion where you can have the concerts. You can sit down there and dine, and that's where VIP events happen and such. So hold on a second, we're going to go all the way through here. And I do believe this is one of the best kept secrets in Ohio, is this facility here. If they're not too noisy, I'll be able to get through and show you the parking lot. But we'll come up behind the band here, so you can see the band plays. This stage is up all the time. So here they are. So the balcony up here is a bar on both sides. And then here, this is where the crowd gathers. So you can see this is where all the bikes park out here for bike night. And then of course there's people like Rick and Shay and Reagan. She was ready for that. And there's the Faro truck out here. So the bikes gather around. This is a large parking area. You can see some pylons right behind the Faro truck back here. But beyond those, there's still another huge parking lot. This whole area can be filled with motorcycles, and this whole area is covered under the beverage permit. So you can literally walk out here drinking a beverage. And here's a really cool thing. You can see it on top of the thing here. There's a movie theater right up here, right in front of you. This is really cool because it's a high definition video that you could have a car show out here. You can sit out and do your drive-in movies on this big screen right up here, which is really enormous. So anyway, this is Fortress Obetz in Obetz, Ohio, the best kept secret in Ohio. So check it out when you get a chance.